Hey, Cookaholic Chef Kendra here, and today we are making Mexican pasta in the slow cooker. So let's you and I do what we do and make it happen. We're gonna miss some plies as usual, guys. There's a lot of good stuff going in this today. Some corn. We're using the canned stuff, but of course, fresh is amazing. I'm going to go with some roasted red salsa, but you can use your favorite salsa. It's your kitchen. Do what you want. Personally, I love the deep, rich flavor of roasted salsa in this. We're also going to use crushed red tomatoes. And brand here does matter, guys. All canned tomatoes are not the same. Do some experimentation and find the one that you like best. Now we're gonna make a quick taco seasoning. In this bowl, I'm adding chili powder, ancho chili powder, cumin, paprika, onion powder, garlic powder, dried oregano, black pepper, and cayenne pepper. We won't need all this, but you're good to go for your next taco night. Just store the leftovers in a zip top bag and don't forget to label it. We're also gonna dice some red bell pepper and a bit of jalapeno, just for a little bit of an extra kick, but it's totally optional. Now I'm gonna get this non-stick pan over medium-low heat and brown our ground beef. We're gonna season it with salt and pepper, just like so. I'm gonna drain this ground beef. We're gonna add that strained ground beef. We're gonna get that corn in there. We're gonna add our red bell pepper. Jalapeno. The salsa goes in. Some of that taco seasoning we made earlier. We're gonna stir all this in. Now guys, we're gonna pour in our chicken broth. And the last thing goes in, our crushed tomatoes. We're gonna slap the lid on this guy, set this on low, and let it go 4 to 5 hours. Now guys, we're gonna take the lid off and we're going to stir in our shells. Then we're gonna put the lid back on and let this cook another half hour. Now guys, I'm getting hungry. We're gonna toss in our cheeses. We're just gonna stir that in and mix it up really well. It's called, it smells good. Yeah, it kind of tastes like, it smells like that. I can see that. So guys, you know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna taste this. It's kind of got a cheesy chili vibe.
but with pasta. It was very good. So Kendra's out. Peace.